Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to change Dropbox password. So let's have a look now. Sign into your Dropbox. Go to Dropbox website and log in into your Dropbox account using your current email address and password. Click on your profile picture or avatar in the top right corner to open the account menu. Select Settings or Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Look for the Security or Password tab within your account settings. OK, now click on Change Password. Enter your new desired password. Ensure it meets Dropbox password requirements. After entering your new password, click on Change Password. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.